This video shows the humble beginnings of 10 successful people. Number 1. Rajinikanth, a popular actor, lost his mother when he was 9. As a child, he was studious and mischievous with a great interest in cricket, football and basketball. Upon completion of his school education, Rajinikanth continued to perform various jobs in the cities of Bangalore and Madras, including that of a coolie and carpenter, and finally ended up in the Bangalore Transport Service as a bus conductor. Apart from his film career, he is also a philanthropist, spiritualist, and serves as an influence in Dravidian politics. The government of India has honored him with the Padma Bhushan in 2000 and the Padma Vibhushan in 2016 for his contributions to the arts. At the 45th International Film Festival of India 2014, he was conferred with the Centenary Award for India Film Personality of the Year. He is the highest paid actor in Asia after Jackie Chan. While working in other regional film industries of India, Rajinikanth has also appeared in the cinemas of other nations, including the American film Bloodstone. Number 2. Akshay Kumar was a waiter in a bar. He is popular as a stunt actor and has earned him the sobriquet Indian Jackie Chan. In 2008, the University of Windsor conferred an honorary doctorate on Kumar in recognition of his contribution to Indian cinema. In 2009, he was awarded the Padma Shri by the Government of India. As of August 2017, he is the 10th highest paid actor in the world according to Forbes. Number 3. Devanand is a famous Hindi actor, writer, director, producer and comedian. He began his career as a clerk in the military censor's office for 85 rupees a month. After completing his BA degree in English literature, he left his hometown for Bombay in the early 1940s. He aspired to become a performer after seeing Ashok Kumar's performance in some films. Shah Rukh Khan, Badshah of Bollywood, lived a middle-class life in rented apartments at Rajendra Nagar, Delhi. He acted in stage plays and borrowed money to go to Film City. His passion and persistence brought him good roles and he became very successful in a decade. Number 5. Salman Amin Khan of Khan Academy has lived in a state of poverty for over a year as a tutor for his cousins. He holds 3 degrees from MIT and an MBA from Harvard. He founded the Khan Academy in 2005, a free online education platform and an organization with which he has produced over 6,500 video lessons teaching a wide spectrum of academic subjects, originally focusing on mathematics and sciences. He is also the founder of Khan Lab School, a brick and mortar school associated with Khan Academy. As of March 2018, the Khan Academy channel on YouTube has more than 3.8 million subscribers and the Khan Academy videos have been viewed nearly 1.5 billion times. In 2012, Time named Salman Khan in its annual list of the 100 most influential people in the world. Forbes magazine featured Khan on its cover with the story 1 trillion billion opportunity. Bill Gates is one of the subscribers, and his foundation, along with Google and others, has donated liberally to the Khan Academy as founding partners. It's a US tax exempt non-profit organization, and its mission is to provide a free world-class education for anyone, anywhere, forever. Number 6. Lionel Messi, the best footballer, used to serve tea at a shop to support his football training. He was cut from his team due to his hormone deficiency that made him shorter. Number 7. Steve Jobs of Apple Company used to sleep on the floor in friends' rooms, returning Coke bottles for food, money, and getting weekly free meals at a local temple. He was dropped out of college. He was put up for adoption at birth. At 30, he was left devastated and depressed after being unceremoniously removed from the company he started. In the hospital, he realized that all riches and accolades he was proud of became insignificant with his imminent death at 56. He advised us to pursue the objectives not related to wealth, cherish the sweet memories of love, treasure your family love, and treat all people friendly. Remember, there is no hirer or taker for our suffering. We have to face our own music. Number 8. MS Dhoni was a travelling ticket examiner (TT) at Kharagpur railway station from 2001 to 2003. His colleagues remember him as a very honest, straightforward employee of the Indian Railways. Based on his performance at club cricket, he was picked for the 1997 season Vinu Mankad Trophy Under-16 Championship, and he performed well. Dhoni focused on cricket after his 10th standard. Number 9. Colonel Sanders, founder of KFC, lost his father when he was 5. He discontinued his education at 16. He was fired from 4 jobs. After marriage, he became a railroad conductor. He was a failure as an insurance agent. He decided to be a cook at a small cafe. He received a check for $105 on the day of retirement. Feeling like a total failure, he wanted to commit suicide. He realized there was so much he hadn't done in his field. That was cooking the best chicken anyone had ever tasted. He borrowed $87 to buy a fryer and his recipe's ingredients. He sold his fried chicken from door to door in Kentucky. His recipe was rejected by over 1,000 restaurants. The 1010th restaurant welcomed it, and KFC was born. At 88, Sanders became a multi-billionaire and is KFC the second biggest food empire with 20,000 restaurants in 123 countries. Number 10. Ayagari Sambashiva Rao, popularly known as S. Rao, was an eminent Indian scientist and founder of the Electronic Corporation of India Limited (ECL) in Hyderabad. He was born in a poor peasant's family. He completed his college education eating very little as he didn't have any money. After getting a gold medal from Banaras Hindu University, The Tata Foundation granted him a scholarship to study in Stanford University. He was an outstanding scholar at Stanford University. He rejected the lucrative offer of the university with a salary of 1,40,000 in 1950s. He came back to India and joined the Tata company just for 300 rupees a month to repay his debt. He was awarded Padma Shri in 1960 and Padma Bhushan in 1972. His close friend says, in ICU also he thought of others' safety. He passed away at 89 in 2003. A colony is named after this great scientist as S. Rao Nagar in Hyderabad. Well, it isn't our mistake to be born poor, but it's our choice to be rich or poor. One can be rich in wealth or character. All the 10 successful people we have talked about so far have struggled a lot to be successful. They started their careers by doing ordinary jobs, but they didn't end up there. They have dreamed big and struggled very hard. They know pretty well that sweet success is the result of sweat, smart work, and systematic plan. MS Dhoni's honesty, Devanand's aspiration, Rajnikant's philanthropy with spirituality, Akshay Kumar's risk-taking nature, Shah Rukh Khan's struggle, Salman Amin Khan's devotion, Lionel Messi's grit despite hormone deficiency, Steve Jobs' undaunted spirit, Colonel Sanders' hard work even at the age of 88, and S. Rao's gratitude and humility should be our guiding forces. This is Gurab Damodar signing off from Stanford on April 13, 2018.